A blessed day. Allow me to present my industrial motor control lecture and actual. Okay, thank you for viewing this. So start. I am Engineer James Lara, your instructor, to share with you the skills for industrial motor control. So our topic for this industrial motor control. So first is to provide students with the knowledge to read and understand the symbols and functions of the components in industrial motor control. Second is be able to construct DOL, direct online diagram. The third is able to construct a reversible direct online diagram and able to construct the Y to delta diagram in three-phase motor. So here is our laboratory, Industrial Motor Control Training Board. This is our laboratory. I desire to present to you this to add and to increase your skills. So first, I want to introduce to you the fuse, the glass fuse used by industrial motor control. So this is the glass fuse of industrial motor control. The next is, this is the symbol of the glass fuse of industrial motor control. Next is the alarm, no? Industrial buzzer with terminals. So this is the symbol of the buzzer or alarm, industrial buzzer. Next is the timer, no? The timer, the industrial multi-timer. So this industrial motor timer has 8 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 7. Proceed to symbols. So this is the symbol of the industrial motor control. This is the symbol. Next is the thermal overload relay. The thermal overload relay is to protect the motor for high current, overloading, and high ampere. So this is the symbol of thermal overload relay. Then proceed. This is our industrial motor control transformer. Transformer high and low voltage. So this is the symbol of dual voltage transformer. H2 is H3 and H4 is your high voltage, and the low voltage is X1, X2, X3, X4. So now this is our circuit breaker. So three-phase circuit breaker. Three-phase circuit breaker. The color coding is RYB. R stands for red, Y is yellow, and B is blue. So this is the symbol of our circuit breaker. Next is our stop, forward, reverse, push button switch. So this is the symbol of our forward button switch. Next is our magnetic contactor. The function of magnetic contactor is to establish the current and to interrupt the current, or to establish the voltage and to interrupt the voltage. So this is the symbol of the magnetic contactor, dual contact. So the coil is E1 and E2. This is our push button switch, start stop button switch with emergency stop. This is the symbol. And this is the voltmeter, AC voltmeter. Ammeter. So ammeter is an instrument used to measure the current of the motor. So this is the symbol of the voltmeter. Voltmeter is connected in parallel of the line or across the line. Ammeter connected in series of the line of the source for the motor. This is the symbol of ammeter. Then this is also the indicator pilot lights with terminal. So red is for running the motor. Green is for running the motor. Red is for standby unit, and yellow or orange is for the reset or emergency of the motor. If there is problem, there is trouble, this yellow or orange pilot light will glow for indication of there is a problem of motor. The motor is tripping. This is the symbol of the light indicator or pilot light. So this is our activity. So we have now in our activity 1 the circuit breaker. The second is the magnetic contactor and thermal overload relay and the motor. So this is the power diagram. So this is the power diagram. If we speak power diagram in this activity, power diagram is from the source to the circuit breaker to magnetic contactor to thermal overload relay to motor. And take note that in the power diagram of the industrial motor control, the motor, let's say if your motor is 10 horsepower, your circuit breaker also is for 10 horsepower, and your magnetic contactor is for 10 horsepower, and your circuit thermal overload relay is also for 10 horsepower, and including your wire that you are connected in power diagram is also enough size for 10 horsepower. So this is our diagram for a motor control. This is our placement. We have a fuse, we have a button switch. So this is another sheet of the industrial motor control with 3-piece single phase motor. So another set of activity for direct online 3-piece. This is the parts that the student perform in wiring diagram. Okay, another activity for student. So another activity for student for direct online single phase motor with using transformer. So direct online 3-piece wiring for motor control using transformer. Okay, this is the sample of power diagram. The power diagram is from line to circuit breaker to magnetic contactor to thermal overload relay to the motor. Okay, get wire and connect. Next, 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 get wire and connect. This is what we call the power diagram. So this is a power diagram. Okay, thank you for viewing this channel, and thank you for subscribing this channel. God bless.